Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2017 Toyota Tacoma maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here: up, down, left, right, middle for enter, and back. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the key, then go ahead and turn it to the second position. If you have the push start, go ahead and press it twice without your foot on the brake. And every time you see this message, go ahead and click back. Now go ahead and scroll left or right to go find your page, which is here at the setting. Go ahead and enter on setting. Now scroll down to maintenance, enter on maintenance reset, scroll up to yes, press enter, and there it is, guys. Make sure you click like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.